The prime vector of this control and manipulation, the source of the illusion, is the mass media, be it electronic, be it television or radio. It doesn't matter. Print media, the imagery. Every time you pick up a popular magazine and look at the images, the false lifestyle that you're supposed to aspire to, all those things, all the symbols, all the status, you are being programmed.
Then you can portray something of how you love music. So this is an example of a painting I did like 6 years ago. It's called Love Song. So the whole idea is like there you came from listening a song. So I put it back into my own idea of what love song would look like to me in my example. So this concept of painting is also a learning concept of how to use balance of color in your painting. So in painting you need to learn the different type of structure. So you have balance, you have rhythm, you have perspective, you have the whole feel of the painting, basic and technically, that's how you put it. So with all of them concept of how you get a painting, you have to have the whole feeling of depth of how you get the painting done. So this is our balance using color. So you have green background reflecting a green middle, like a girl wearing a green middle dress, so, or a part of the dress. So using color just like how you would wear your clothes in modern day time. You don't put on any color, like if you're matching or trying to go with proper style, then in that sense. So using the color of my own country, like I'm from Jamaica, so I came up with the idea of being like using the green, black and gold as an example. Again, that's how you use balance of color. So using two, yellow and green to green and blue to blue. So you have a balanced concept. So if I was to use a blue, then I could put back a blue, which I already did over here, but in a different tone. So to give the painting balance, you need to put like how you structure any item, like a pyramid. So you have blue and blue, and then you have another blue. So you try to create something like of a balance on any surface. So this is an example. So learning balance from other artists like David and other like Leonardo and Caravaggio, you learn the idea of balance and how to use depth with colors. So all of them artists show you how to use the emphasis of how to use colors and get depth and balance. Like David as an example of his work with color, you can learn how to use light and dark from Leonardo. And then with Caravaggio you can do the same thing with up another level of light and dark, because they all learn from each other. So different time period produce different artists, and different artists come in different time period. So they all learn from each other, but you have to come with your own idea and one concept of how you would portray painting showing balance in using color. As at the end goal, you cannot place color all over in your artwork, then you'll be looking like an expressionist. So not being like an expressionist, this is how you get the whole simple and the whole quality of how you get a simple structure of artwork. always have a balance with color. They give your painting a more simple and a more like popping look, so it's not blasting with color in the viewer face. But that's another example. This is just a pencil crayon work I did, which I sold, which I didn't even go and think it was going to sold to anybody. So somebody buy it, and I'm happy for somebody buying it. So once you create artwork, you can have artwork 4 or 5 years, and then somebody just buying it. So art is not like music where you do, or I don't know the concept of how they do it still, but art is creating artwork and your best and making people see it and making people try and buy it, because people can want it but they don't have the money at the same time. So you have to think on the reality. For example, you can have good quality artwork and people want to buy it for low money. So you have to have the whole idea of realism, like anything, like going to the store. So if you can afford the clothes in the store, then you should not be in that store. So if you're just browsing, then that's good. So if people have different views on artwork, but selling artwork is a good thing. So, but you need good artwork to people to look in the first place. So creating artwork that can sell is good in that sense. So going to art school, I don't think art school will put you out there to try to help you sell your artwork in that sense. You have to do everything on your own. So not spending all that money and then still you can't come up with an artwork that can sell would be a devastating feeling to anybody. So in real sense, if you can create simple work with no equipment and it still sell, then a guy who's looking professional and still not selling, as though he put himself professional, then that'd be a devastating blow. So doing artwork in the realest sense and not portraying lies over your artwork to make yourself looking more like popular or whatever. I don't know, some people do it. But this is how you do it in realest sense. And this like take 3 to 4 months, so from idea to pencil to having on canvas, and then you can get other items of the same artwork, like me wearing a t-shirt. You can just simply print off a t-shirt. So having an idea from pencil to canvas, then to t-shirt, that's a good thing. And then selling to somebody a print. Example of how you can create artwork and then simply print it on a t-shirt. So you're not creating a whole body of this is how I got and this is what I have. You're doing it in the realest sense. So me as an unknown artist, your thing is going to take a while to grow, because you cannot just be like doing artwork or whatever, and people going to know you're doing artwork, so you have to try and show people. So I thank the viewer on YouTube. Even if I have 1 view on YouTube, I still thank the person for watching my YouTube channel or my video in that sense. So this is how I'm doing it in the realest sense as an unknown artist. So if people subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be good. If not, I still continue to do artwork in the realest sense of how I can do it. Because not really, see, before YouTube, I I sell artwork. So it's not really depending on one source to get things done or put in your head or mind into that source. So having different source, you get different view and different concept and different idea of what your artwork reflects. Because if I'm on one source, then I can get different amount of views, and if I'm on a different source on the internet and you get a different view, then you see the whole genre. Now people are going to be on every website at all times, so you have to think if you have 4 or 5 websites, now all of them have the same level of views, but at the end of the day it's making people see your artwork in the realest sense, not begging for them like comments or whatever likes on YouTube, because that's just, I don't know, that's just me being fake or whatever, or trying to seek something, but me trying to show my artwork in the realest sense. This is a love song. So this is love song 1, and then I have love song 2, which is another painting. So thank my one viewer.
Purchase your tracks today.